This 2023 K-Z Sportsmen Classic 160 QB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, stove-top burner, water heater, spare tire kit, awning, smoke detector, LP detector, leveling jacks, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 K-Z Sportsmen Classic 160 QB is 2,940 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.